In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reconcile a refund in Xero 5 minutes. First, head to the Xero login page and sign in to your account. Click the login button, enter your email and password, and then confirm by selecting login again. If you use multi-factor authentication, complete that step as you normally would. Keeping your login details secure is important, so make sure you're on the official Xero site before entering any credentials. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard. From here, make sure you're looking at the bank account where the refund actually came through. This ensures you're reconciling the correct transaction. On the bank account tile, click Reconcile Items to open the bank feed and see the list of unreconciled transactions. Look for the refund in your bank feed. Refunds typically show as a money in or negative outflow depending on your bank's format, but the amount should clearly indicate it's a reversal of a previous payment. Select that specific transaction so you can match it properly. Next, click Find and Match. This opens a panel where Xero searches for existing items that could match your bank line, such as a credit note, a bill refund from a supplier, or an overpayment returned. Use the search box to filter by contact name, reference, or amount. If you have several similar transactions, try adding the date range to narrow the results. From the list, select the item that corresponds to your refund. Before you confirm, double check 3 things. The contact name matches, the amount is exactly the same as the bank line, and the date is reasonable based on when the refund hit your bank. If the difference column shows 0, you're good to go. If you don't see the expected match, make sure the original credit note or refund has been approved in Xero and that it's assigned to the same bank account you're reconciling. When everything looks correct, click Reconcile. Xero will link the bank transaction to the matched item and remove it from the unreconciled list. You can confirm the result by going to the Account Transactions view for that bank account to see the reconciled entry and its source document. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. Matching is always preferable to creating a new transaction for refunds because it preserves the full audit trail back to the original bill or invoice. If the refund includes tax, ensure the matched item reflects the correct tax treatment so your reports stay accurate. And that's it. You've successfully reconciled a refund in Xero quickly and confidently.